It's just such a roller coaster. I wouldn't change it for the world, but man, it's just so intense. There's so many answers. I'm good, but yeah, life is just busy with a kid. I don't know. I feel like I need to slow down and I don't know. It's just Lola, you're okay. You try and put the lid on. Yeah, it's just hard. Hard being a mom. It feels very alone, and I've been grateful for New Zealand in the sense that it's a very multicultural country. So I've been meeting lots of different moms, but one always misses their own culture. Being a mom is amazing. I feel like every day it can look the same, but you just never know what to expect. I've never experienced a love like this, and I feel like it's tested me a lot. Testing me, my patience, and testing my relationship with my husband for sure. But yeah, it's just such a roller coaster. I wouldn't change it for the world, but man, it's just so intense.